Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back Rimsha decor. I hope that all of you are doing well. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then please visit my channel. Today I am showing you some absolutely gracious cake designs for Independence Day. Make sure you watch till the end. These cake designs are the most viral right now. Everyone will ask where you see it. So guys, if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you don't make these designs in 2026, your year is incomplete. If you like these designs, please like it. Don't forget to press the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. Tell me in the comment which design you would like most. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys to like, to share, to watching my YouTube video. I hope you like these designs. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very something and creative. If you are interested in these types of design, then please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. I hope you like these designs. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more idea specific design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. Comment your favorite cake designs. Comment and tell me which design you like the most. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please watch this video to end. Let me know in the comment where are you watching from. These designs are specially for your events. Save this video for next events. Which designs you like the favorite. You can use each design for Independence Day. I hope you like this design with themed color combinations. Two 2026 most trending cake designs. Every cake design is very easy and trendy. Comment your favorite designs and share with your friends. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you like these designs. Stop scrolling and pick your favorite designs. These designs special for your 14th August. Green and white cake designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I am sure cake design from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also to try my amazing and beautiful designs. If you want to see more make party decor ideas, cake decor ideas or any other celebration idea, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. You can use each theme perfect for any celebrations. All the design look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. These designs special for 14th August. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake design. I hope you enjoy my video. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.